show it some love kapag na-release na siya under Star Pop really soon. Saktan pa? O sige, wait. Sorry po, bye-bye po. Pinapaalis na pa niya ako. Sorry.
What is a message that you'd want to tell me?
Just keep doing what you're doing. I mean, like what you explained, that you're bettering yourself. I see that, and it's working. So yeah, just continue. And I like that you know that you should do that not for others, but for yourself. I wish you all the peace in this life, because honestly, peace is hard to come by.
It's a luxury.
It is. It is.
It's a luxury.
It is. So yeah, I wish you all that. And yeah, just keep doing what you want to do in this life. Keep working harder. Keep hustling to be better always. I'm just really proud of the person you're becoming.
Thank you.
Of how you're stepping up in life. Keep at it.
Thank you. So for you, I would say, don't underestimate yourself so much. You are more talented. You are more loved. You are more beautiful than you think. Than your mind perceives yourself to be. And just keep doing what you're doing. And everyone literally loves you. You are one of the best at what you do. And you're so good. You always say that. You always point out that you have flaws. But literally, I don't see anything.
I'm just the girl.
You're just the girl. I'm the most beautiful girl in the world.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you are loved and you are appreciated by the people who matter.
Thank you for the reminder every day. Huwag kang magsawa.
Siyempre, hindi ako magsawa.
Thank you. What is your message to everyone who loves us?
I just want to let you guys know that me and Alex are here for you just as much as you guys are here for us. And we love you all very much. And we're so lucky to have every single one of you. Every single person in this fandom, every single person in my friend group, or every single person in my family.
Each and every one of you have been very instrumental to our growth as people, as individuals, and as artists. So thank you so much. And if you're here tonight, if you're at the concert supporting us, thank you so much. This is a moment I am personally going to remember forever and ever, and probably look back at all the time, because it's not every day you get to
That's true.
have a concert, you know. And somehow I feel like this is little Alexa's dream come true.
Yeah, concert.
So thank you so much for being part of our journey, for being part of this night. For me, I pray that this is just the beginning. So I hope you guys stay until the end. No pressure though, no pressure though.
No pressure. May work pa kayo.
But yes, we're so thankful for all of you guys, and we love you guys so much. Thank you for everything.
This is such an amazing night.
Exhilarating.
Well,
Oh.
this is printed in my mind forever and ever. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of so many people, and I mean so many people. But before we go into saying our thank yous, dahil it's still the month of May, birth month mo pa din. So, syempre, patingin naman natin ang ating birthday boy. Humabol ka, oh.
Humabol ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ayun.
Should I make a wish?
Of course, cake mo yan eh. Go, make a wish. Whatever you wish.
Ay, nandito pa na yung na-wish ko.
Maliit na bagay. Naku, nawala yan.
Lagi akong magaganyan pag may cake. Every birthday, I'm just gonna say that.
Ayan, so, a belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oy, kiss, wag mo ganun. Ang programang ito ay rated PG. I'm very proud of you, proud of the man you are becoming. You know, I always want what's best for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. If I don't say that enough, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang tibay mo. Like, super galing mo as a person. Kasi may mga kaibigan kami, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Alexa, swerte mo kay KD.
Maswerte ako sa'yo.
And then, tanggapin mo na, hindi to contest. Swerte ako sa'yo.
Hindi, competitive ako.
And then, ayun, I'm just so thankful and ang saya na unti-unti kong natutupad yung dreams ko, tapos may bonus pa na ikaw nakasama. So, I hope that we can continue doing life like this.
Yes, we will. Forever and ever.
Okay. Ayun, you wanna say something?
Yeah, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat. Everybody in Music Museum right now, and everybody online. Thank you so much for the birthday greetings. And, grabe, I didn't ask for any gift kasi kayo, sapat na kayo. And ikaw, just my partner, not only in work, pero in my personal life din. We always share moments together, and I'm happy. I'm not gonna say that. But yes, thank you Alexa for always being there, and thank you everybody. Thank you so much for the support and love.
And since you're already thanking the people you want, segue na rin ako. So everyone, gusto namin pasalamatan ang aming mahusay, sobrang husay na banda. Starting off with our musical director, Chuck Hossa.
Palakpakan naman natin. And on bass, we have Roman de la Cruz. Palakpakan natin.
Yes! On second keyboard, we have Naldi Rodriguez. Yay!
And of course, on guitar, si Kuya Jano Guayquay.
And of course, we have our backup singers also. Sobrang big help. Thank you so much for singing with us. We have Mike Luis and Faye Yupano.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you. Please, everyone, we need a louder round of applause for our please. They are the geniuses behind this concert. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. We are very lucky because since this is our first concert, inalagaan kami ng mga taong kasama namin and hindi na kami pinabayaan. They really helped us prepare for this night. So again, maraming salamat po.